Hello everyone, in the next few moments, I'm going to share some of the most important lessons we've learned after years of helping customers. The error code 10 on a Kitchenaid ice maker appears when the unit detects that the ice making cycle is not being completed properly. Simply put, the machine is trying to produce ice, but something is preventing it from operating normally. At our shop, we often hear customers say things like, "It makes noise, but it doesn't produce ice," or "It stopped working and then showed error code 10. We explain to customers that this error does not always mean there is a major failure. In many cases, it is related to the water supply or a component interrupting the ice making process. The first things we check are the water inlet, the fill valve, and the water supply pressure. If the machine is not receiving enough water, the cycle cannot continue. As one of our technicians says, before looking for an electronic problem, we need to confirm that water is reaching the unit properly. We also inspect the water filter and the supply line, since a blockage or a loose connection can reduce water flow. Some customers tell us the problem started after replacing the filter or changing the installation setup. If the water supply is working properly, we then check the sensors, controls, and the ice ejection system. A faulty sensor can send an incorrect signal and stop ice production even when other components are working correctly. KitchenAid recommends checking the water supply, connections, and restarting the unit when experiencing ice production problems. So far, there is no known widespread defect specifically associated with error code 10.